Take a bow, back on powder. Take a bow, back on powder. Wash them out with buzzing light. Paying agency care. Impress me personality. Let's see if this is already live. Let's check. Alright, so this is now live. Okay, so we're checking. We are checking if this is live. Impress me personality. Ceiling transfix the electric shape of dreaming of your face. Enjoy you from candy cold comfort. Alright, so hey, where is it now? F11, F12, F10. How do we show the hey, want to show the terminal. Okay, so Angular, and what is this? Package.json, package manager. What was updated in this file? Okay, so let's try to remove that so that there'll be no changes in the project. Get checkout .NET test Angular or hello Angular. Oops. Or maybe we should go to our pull request. So the issues here, we have 1,500 issues. Then we want to see. We want to solve some of it. Okay, ADEV building. I don't know how to. Event replay memory leak. Load event on image. MS is triggered twice with event replay. Export differ primitive for using component. Add support for overriding built-in formats for date pipeline through the use of injection. This sounds familiar. Add more ergonomic API to declare server-side services, Angular route leaks, components and their DOM elements. What is this? Memory leak. Is this a regression? Every time we navigate to a component and route away asynchronously, the Angular router is leaking the component. This is causing severe memory issues in production code. Steps to reproduce and npm install ngserve. Open homepage in Google Chrome. Open the Chrome developer. Oh man. Okay, so let's just do one by one. We want, let's do it here so that it will be seen by our stream. Okay. Why is my thumbnail not showing up here? Go to customize. Weird, it's weird that our badge is not showing. So let's add the .NET Test thing. Ah, yeah, maybe it's because yeah, I don't know why. Let's add the avatar. What? What?
Can you help me lift up that bucket?
What happened?
That bucket.
What happened to the bucket?
There, in the sink.
What do you want to do, man?
I want to go. I want to go the water so I can wash my feet.
Oh, you want to wash your feet?
Yeah.
Use this one. What is? Here, get water from there.
Okay, and then you can tie it.
Take a bow, back on powder. Wash them out with buzzing light. Bang. Gin sticky. Okay, so we're in the main branch. So we're going to create a new branch called .NET Test Hello Angular. Okay, so we switch to that and then we then push this. I'll tell you love in a piece of mine. I left the memories behind. Alright, so okay, so we have that, and then we want to execute this. We're now in Angular, and then we want to do the yarn. So install dependencies. So we have yarn now in our local. So it's installing yarn. It's installing the dependencies now. And then it got error. What is that error? It's let's see the error. After we do the yarn, the local project doesn't define a package manager field. Core pack will now add one reference yarn blah 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 blah. For more detail about this field, consult the documentation. yarn install resolution field is incompatible with requested version. Resolution and it goes here about to run the post install patches.js script, then delete d.ts reference rxjs compat. I don't know what it is doing, and then blah 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 blah. So to update the version in the patch, this warning is just to give you a heads up. There is a small chance of breakage even though the patch was applied successfully. Make sure the package still behaves like you expect. You wrote test right and then run. What's this? Okay, so let's just try this. Added package manager. Then let's push. Right, so next is, let's go to the checklist. Build and run local dev server. Install build. Initial build will take some time. So okay, so yarn docs. I don't know what this is doing, so cannot run this yarn script on CI. And exit 1 blah blah is now recognized as an internal or external command. Operable program. I don't know what it's doing. Bazel workspace status action. Build failed, not running target. Build did not complete successfully. Build did not complete successfully. Error starting process, blah 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 blah. Did you know iBazel can invoke programs like Gazelle, Buildozer, and other build file generators for you automatically based on Bazel output? Documentation at GitHub Bazel build, blah 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 blah. So how do we run that? Let's see the documentation here. Want to report a bug? Code yarn Bazel clean. The build for frequently asked question. The build is failing, and I'm seeing Bazel failed, missing input. I don't know if this is the correct. Try this first. Okay, yarn Bazel clean. Okay, so it's cleaned. If it doesn't work, try it with the expunge flag. Okay, so let's try the build yarn docs again. iBazel querying for files to watch. Error evaluating symbolic links for source. Blah 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 blah. Alright, so still build failing. Let's try this. And then expunge. I don't know what that is doing. Expunge, start cleaning. Alright, so for local development, Yarn is the preferred package manager. You can set up a local development with the following command. Dad, Dad, you might. Oh, it's so wet na nak. You might hit your head on the floor, huh? Um. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Hello, 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 how do you do? I'm glad to see with you. And you, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, how do you do? And you. Okay, so the error you're seeing suggests that you're running a script that is written for a Unix-like environment like Linux or Mac OS. For a Windows system, the blah 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 syntax is a shell feature specific or bash to similar shells and it's not recognized by Windows default command prompt. Here's how to fix it using Windows. Okay. Okay, so we stop this and then we open this one, then remove this. Okay, and then now we run the command. Okay, so we do this again. Not found. How about Angular? Not found. Alright, so I'm trying to show that I'm opening using PowerShell, but the terminal can't be exposed, can't be shared. It's not showing the Windows terminal. Oh, it's showing now. Okay, so I was able to show, we're able to show this. And then we also want to show the VS Code. Remove this. Then VS Code, VS WSL. So this one. So we're able to show this one. And we can show this at the back. Okay. And then we can start by going to our terminal. We want to go to the repositories of Emperor, and then we're going to clone. Hey, where are we? We want to clone this and get clone. Okay, so it's now cloning. Hopefully this will be able to solve our issues. We are now running in Windows subsystem for Linux. Think about back on better. Watch them out with buzzing light.
Oh, I checked my iPad. It was bad.
It's 41%.
Man.
Babe, get me the Papa's iPad, babe, so I can charge it also. Jing 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 jing. I get my home drink, a bit of bulk drink. It wasn't easy. Oh, at a time, easy to reach. Alright, it's done. It's now done cloning. What? Okay, so after this, we want to, I believe we want to install the yarn. So yarn is not found. We need to do it all over again. We need to run this. No such file or directory. Core pack. And we don't have npm also. We have npm. How to, we don't have core pack. Core pack, bad interpreter, no such file or directory. Okay, and then after the core we're going to install so after installing, convert the file, what is the steps? Option 1, then this, and then okay, let's retry the command. Still not found. Option 2 is this one, retry the command. Okay, so we still have to install Node, I think. What was the last command? Install. Okay, so you should have Node now, right? Node version. You should have npm-v. Okay, and then enable Corpac. Corpac enable. Permission denied. Sudo Corpac enable. Okay, so we now have enabled Corpac version. Okay, so we now have Corpac version. Prepare. Install yarn. Corpac. Corpac. Prepare. Prepare. Yarn. Stable. Activate. Okay, so yarn version. So we now have yarn. Yarn install step 4 using Corpac in your projects. So I believe we now can go to Angular and then yarn. Okay. Whew. That's where that's now working.